Okay guys, this is one of the reasons why, one of many, why you want to get your roof replaced. They had a contractor that came up here, obviously replaced this roof within a couple of years ago. They never did the flat roof. And now, as the water comes in, the water will come right down there and go right into there. I don't even want to put this in there because the thing will go in. There's not much to keep water from going in there, and this is all rotted. And you should be able to tell from underneath because in the soffit it shows damage, so that's going to have to be corrected before we put the siding on that, because underneath there the water is leaking. So we'll have to get that corrected, which is an easy fix. We'll just cut the roof back and then replace it in that area if they don't want to